Getting started with estate planning can feel overwhelming, but your first step is straightforward. In this video, I'll walk you through how to prepare for your initial consultation so you can feel confident, organized, and ready to focus on the things that matter most. Before we meet, we'll send you our questionnaire through your secure online portal. This is the portal that is foundational to our work together because it gathers all the key information all in one place. When filling it out, here are 5 essentials to keep in mind. First, our rule of 3. For every category of decision maker, whether it's the person's handling your financial or medical affairs while you're alive but can't handle them for yourself, or the person handling your affairs after you die, please list 3 people. Therefore, if the first person is not alive or frankly doesn't want to serve, you'll always have a backup and a backup to that person. For every decision maker, please include their full contact details, their home address, home phone, cell phone, and work number, so that they can be easily contacted. Number 2, your physicians. Please include all your doctors that you currently see or have seen in the last 6 months to a year. For your main doctor, your primary care physician, you'll need to add additional information. In the email field of the questionnaire, you'll need to put their practice name. And in the home field, you'll need to put their office fax number. This ensures that they receive a copy of your medical legal documents. Number 3, assets and accounts. Please remember to list all of your assets, especially each and every personal bank account. If you're also interested in creating a trust-based plan, please include account or policy numbers as well. This helps us make sure that your accounts are properly added to your trust during your funding process. Number 4, Social Security numbers. Even though the online portal may say that it's optional, we recommend that you include your Social Security number. This is a key identifier and may help prevent delays or complications for your loved ones when they should need to act on your behalf. Number 5, finally, security. Rest assured, our online portal is fully secured and password protected. Your data is encrypted and only used to build your estate plan. As you complete the questionnaire, it's also a great time to think through how you want your assets distributed. We'll discuss this in detail during your initial consultation, but here are the 3 main distribution steps we'll cover together. First, specific distributions. Think about whether you have any particular people, charities, or organizations that you want to give a particular asset or dollar amount to. Number 2, residue distributions. Once specific gifts are made, everything else falls into the residue, which you can think of as a pie. Distributions from here are typically done in percentages. Therefore, think about who you want to give to and what that percentage should be. Also think about a backup where that percentage would go if the person isn't alive or the organization no longer exists. Number 3, remote distributions. In the unlikely and rare event that all of the above named persons or organizations are either not alive or in existence, please think about who should receive your estate as your final safety net. By carefully completing the questionnaire and thinking through these steps, you'll make your initial consultation smooth and efficient and tailored to your particular goals. If you have not done so already, please schedule your initial consultation today and let's create the peace of mind your family deserves. Thank you.